Hello friends! In this drawing lesson, you will learn how to draw Pikachu easy enough for all beginner artists. The lesson is divided into 10 steps, which will gradually show you how to sketch this cute Pokemon character. Step 1. Outline of the head. First, draw a circle-like shape for the Pikachu head. Step 2. Draw the cheeks. Draw the typical Pikachu rounds on his cheeks, which you will eventually paint red at the end of the lesson. Step 3. Draw the mouth. Draw the mouth of the Pokemon using a single curved, wavy line. Step 4. Draw the eyes. Draw the Pokemon's small, round eyes. Step 5. Draw the ears. Long pointed ears are one of the main features of Pikachu, and they are what you need to draw using the example from this step. Step 6. Details of the head. Use thin lines to draw all the details that you see in this step. Step 7. Draw the torso. Now sketch out Pikachu's body in a pear shape. Step 8. Draw the tail and arms. First, draw the cute Pikachu arms and after that draw the zigzag tail of the Pokemon, which is drawn in the shape of a lightning bolt. Step 9. Draw the legs. Draw cute little Pikachu legs, and after them draw a pattern on the tail. Step 10. Color Pikachu. Now color your drawing of cute Pikachu using your favorite coloring supplies. Do not forget that when coloring the eyes, you will need to leave 2 small areas white. You can see an example in the colored version in the instructions. Well done! Now you can draw another character. Hope you enjoyed Pikachu drawing tutorial. If you liked the lesson, share this video with your friends. Don't forget to press your thumbs up, press the bell and subscribe to the channel.